If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, today's recipe is Spicy Mutton Biryani and one of my favorite dishes. I am going to show you how to make biryani in pressure cooker. Shall we start? Take 1 kg of mutton. Clean it well and add half to 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 3 spoons of chili powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder, 1½ spoon of salt. Adjust spice levels as per your taste. Add little oil and then give a good mix. Now cook the meat for 7 to 8 whistles in pressure cooker. Do not add water as you will get water after the meat is cooked. Meanwhile, let us make masala paste. Add few spices, ginger 10 pieces, garlic 15 to 20 cloves, 5 to 6 green chilies, 2 chopped onions, 1 big tomato, handful of pudina leaves and few coriander leaves. Blend them into paste but not too fine. Now take rice, either Sona Masuri or Basmati rice. I am using Sona Masuri rice here. Add 2½ cups of rice, which is equivalent to 1 kg. So for 1 kg of mutton, I am taking 1 kg of rice. Clean well for 3 times. Add water till rice is immersed properly. Soak it for minimum half an hour. Keep this aside and let us start preparing biryani. Add required amount of oil and add 1 spoon of ghee. Now add spices. Slice 1 onion and add. Fry till it turns to golden brown color. Add 1 tomato. Fry till it becomes mushy. Now in goes masala paste. Add salt, turmeric powder and 1 spoon of garam masala. Fry for 5 minutes till it becomes thick. Now add only mutton pieces. We will use this soup water later. Stir well so that the masala gets very well mixed. Add few pudina leaves as it gives nice aroma. Fry for 5 minutes. Add 2 spoons of curd and fry for 1 minute. Now keep the flame low and add rice without water. Gently stir from the bottom. Otherwise, the rice grains might break and become tiny pieces. Do not over stir it. Leave it for just 1 minute. Now add water. I am using mutton soup water and then rice water. Usually the rice to water ratio is 1:2. But for making biryani, you need to reduce water quantity. So for 2.5 cups of rice, I am adding 4 cups of water. I reduced 1 cup of water here. This is for Sona Masuri rice. If you are using basmati rice, add 1 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. That is 1:1 ratio. Add salt as per taste. Stir once and check the spice and salt levels. You can adjust the levels at this stage. Now keep the flame high and bring it to boil. When it starts to boil, close the lid and cook for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, keep the flame low and cook for 7 minutes. Meanwhile, let us prepare for garnish. Take a pan, add oil and 1 thin sliced onion. Fry till it turns to dark brown color. Now add few cashew nuts as per your taste. Fry for a while. Let us check biryani now. It's tempting. Serve with raita and enjoy.